Let's go. Hi, this is Pritesh. This is my unit manager. He is my, I would say, inspiration and motivation.
You're making me blush.
Really? My name is Nancy. I work in IKEA Hammersmith. My pronouns is she and her, they, them, ours. I'm from Malaysia originally, but now I'm residing in London. With IKEA Hammersmith, we have this batch here where this is an initiative that we done last year to just be out there and proud. This one shouts about me being gay. And then we have another flag that has the word of ally, so means that they are supporting us. You know, we got these gender fluid people, you know, sometimes they feel really uncomfortable approaching us, but when they see the flag there, they will actually come to you. My journey to IKEA, I think the right person is my ex-boss, Vera Kasali.
Was back in 2020.
Yeah.
So I was a food manager in Hammersmith, and I was looking to recruit my two team leaders. So I decided to look external on the company. But I think Nancy had the character that I need to join my team, knowing what my strengths and weaknesses are. I think we complemented each other really well in the journey that we work together. I think sharing stories, it's really important. There's many people that are just unaware of what happens, and they're unaware of, you know, the diversity that's out there.
So having diversity is a form of allyship. So, you know, having to say that, we have this IKEA value says that lead by example. So Vera has set that example. And, you know, onwards is me following her footsteps, and, you know, my co-worker follow my footsteps. My dad is very proud of me. I'm the eldest, so, you know, he's very proud of me. I know that. My mom, on the other end, is a very traditional Chinese woman. She always believed that, you know, she has a family as a Chinese and she has our family, like her family here. That these two, we couldn't mix it together. So she will definitely have problems, and we don't show much affection in front of her. We don't even call each other baby or babes or something like that. So we just call by our name. So it's kind of very static, I would say very restricted. So they do acknowledge my partner. They do ask about, you know, are you coming home with, you know, your partner, or they don't go partner. They were like, are you coming home with her, you know, and then, you know, that sort of thing. So in a way, they are accepting it in their special way. Holding hands, having affection, calling each other, you know, like sweetheart or darling, it still gives me the feeling of I have to be very, very careful with my words and also my reactions. In London, because if you realize that the hate crime for the LGBT people has increased tremendously recently. This is my partner. In a very cliche or very, you know, the love of my life, May. We met in internet platform called Pink Sofa. I was just looking up for my friend and I was about to click out and she clicked into me.
We have this thing like before we leave home, we embrace each other before we go out.
No. I think you need a hug.